Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are learning about the present simple tense. This is one of the most common tenses in English. Let's get started. What is present simple? We use the present simple to talk about things that happen regularly or things that are always true. Example: Ben is a bus driver. He drives a bus. But right now, he's asleep in bed. So we say, he isn't driving now, but he drives a bus for work. We use the base verb for I, you, we, they, drive, work, do. But for he, she, it, we add yes or yes. He drives, she drives. Examples: I live in London. She lives in New York. They played football every weekend. General truths and habits. We use present simple for facts and routines. Here are some examples. Nurses look after patients. The sun rises in the east. I go to the gym on Mondays. We eat lunch at 12 p.m. Don't forget the yes. Be careful. For he, she, it, always add yes to the verb. Examples: I work, but he works. They teach, but my sister teaches. Questions and negatives. To ask questions, we use do or does. Where do you live? What does she do? Do they like music? To say no, we use don't or doesn't. I don't eat meat. She doesn't drink coffee. We don't watch TV much. How often? Routines. We use present simple to talk about how often we do something. Examples: I wake up at 6:30 every morning. How often do you go to the gym? Emma doesn't drink tea. They play tennis twice a week. Special verbs. Saying things. Sometimes we use present simple to say things directly. For example, I promise I'll call you. I suggest you take a break. I agree, I refuse, I apologize, I advise. These verbs express actions while speaking. Let's review. Use present simple for regular actions and general facts. Add yes for he, she, it. Use do, does for questions. Use don't, doesn't for negatives. Use it to express routines, habits, and actions. Try this. What do you usually do after dinner? Thanks for learning. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. New beginner lessons coming every week. See you next time. Bye.